Oh my god, cut. This time we have to user profiles in this video, and has an embarrassing beefy die character.
This again exclamation mark question mark dot do you think it is a joke or something? Mario.
Guys, I don't mean to interrupt, but he is about to